Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Power BI Desktop and loading the report you'll modify. Once done, look at the Pages pane on the left and find the exact page name you want to hide. Make sure you have editing rights. If the file is read-only, save a new copy or request access. Now you're ready. Hover over the Page tab so you can access its menu quickly. This first step sets up the rest of the process efficiently. Next, right-click the Page tab or use the three-dot menu on that page. Choose Hide Page from the options. You'll see the tab dim or display a hidden icon, indicating success. This does not delete the page. It simply removes it from view in published reports for consumers. Make sure to save your file after hiding pages. If you're preparing a published report, double-check in Power BI Service that the page behaves as expected once published. Finally, publish the report to Power BI Service and confirm hidden pages do not show to end users. If you unexpectedly still see the page, clear the browser cache, sign out and back in, or republish the report. Sometimes sync delays cause visibility. If problems persist, check permissions and workspace settings because viewer roles can affect what displays. As a quick tip, keep a backup copy before making many changes so you can restore if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.